Are you tired of hearing about online earning methods that require you to invest your hard-earned cash first? What if I told you that you can start earning right now without spending a single dollar? Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 5 proven ways to make real money online, completely free. First up, freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. You honestly don't need to be a top-tier expert to get started. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, translation, or even simple data entry, these platforms are perfect for you. Just create a free profile, showcase what you can do, and start applying for beginner-friendly projects. I've seen people make anywhere from $10 to $100 a day with zero initial investment. It's all about getting that first gig. Next, let's talk about microtask websites. Ever heard of Clickworker or Remote Tasks? These sites pay you for completing small, simple online tasks. We're talking about things like labeling images, taking short surveys, or even transcribing audio clips. They are incredibly easy to start with. All you need is a computer or a smartphone and an internet connection. You can realistically earn $5 to $25 a day just by doing this simple work in your spare time. Method number 3 is content creation on platforms like YouTube or TikTok. If you have a passion for making videos, sharing tips, or just entertaining people, you should definitely start creating content. You don't need fancy, expensive equipment. Your phone camera is more than enough to begin. As your channel or profile grows, you can start earning from ads, brand sponsorships, or affiliate links. The best part, it's completely free to start. That brings us to our 4th method, affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other companies' products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. You can join massive affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Digistore24 for free. Then, you can share these links on your social media, your blog, or even in a YouTube video description. If you post smartly and strategically, just one viral post could potentially earn you hundreds of dollars while you sleep. Finally, method number 5 is online tutoring or teaching. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, whether it's math, a new language, coding, or even playing a musical instrument, you can teach it online. Platforms like Preply or Cambly allow you to connect with students from all over the world. There's no upfront costs to you, just your knowledge and your time. Students pay you directly for your expertise. So, there you have it. Now you know you don't need money to start making money online. I've put together a detailed guide with step-by-step instructions and all the website links in the description and the pinned comment below. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start your free online income journey today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.